This doesn't work. You need lips. You need lips? Yes, you need lips.
Papa, wait, how did you get those eyes? How did you do that? What did you do? How did you do that, Papa?
Yep. Yep. I'm a bird. Welcome to my show. Today we will talk about all kinds of fascinating things. Yes. But to begin with, I want to invite my special guest, Sarah. Sarah, come on in. Come on. Oh, no, I got Christian. Oh, hello. It's Christian with his hand puppet. Oh, well, that is interesting. Why do you hate me, man? Is it like my free spirit? It's the man. Welcome to the show. It's the man. He's got me down, man. Oh. Bite off my nose. Yeah. Come here. You know what you need, man? You need a little love, man. Let me give you a kiss. Come here. Don't be afraid of the chicken lips. Come here. Give me. Ow. Easy with that. I know I'm irresistible, but really.
My finger will suck your guts out, bitch.